Hey guys, in front of me I have the smart RGB light bulbs from Teckin. These are the 13 watt 1300 lumens bulbs. You'll be able to find these bulbs and all the other ones shown in this video in the links in the description below. Let's check this out. Here it is. There are two bulbs and they're more of a spotlight shape. Here I have Teckin's A19 bulb. It's a standard size bulb that you could find everywhere. These are 7.5 watts and 1800 lumens versus the other ones, which are 1300 lumens. Right now it's set to a cooler tint, but if you open the app, you can change it to white and you'll see it gets a little brighter. I use this bulb mainly behind my computer as a backlight to make things easier on my eyes while I'm gaming or doing some work at night. Now let's connect the new bulb and set it up so we could see the difference. Once you put the bulb in, it should start flashing really fast, letting you know it's ready to pair. Then all you do is take your phone, open up the app, tap on the plus in the top right hand corner, find lighting in the sidebar, look for lighting Wi-Fi, and confirm it's blinking. Then put in your Wi-Fi settings and just wait for it to pair. Once it's paired, it should stop flashing and become solid. You can already tell it's a lot brighter than the other bulb. Now we just wait for it to finish connecting to the app. Once it's connected, you can change the name, helping you remember where you put this bulb. And done, you're connected. The best thing about these bulbs is they connect to Google or Alexa. So all you have to do is say, sync bulbs.
Okay, syncing devices for smart life.
And there you go. Now Google can control all your devices. And no matter how many bulbs you have, you can control them individually by the set names that you put in the app. To turn it on or off, all you have to do is say, turn off 1. And there you go. It's off. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you found it useful.